Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be discussing about Accenture pre-joining assessment details. I hope many of you guys got the meeting link from Accenture in which they discussed about the pre-joining assessment. And if you have not got the meeting link, and if you have got the mail only, let's discuss about the Accenture pre-joining assessment details. But I just wanted to say that I already made one video about this, okay? And the details which I shared in that video was exactly the same which in the meeting the Accenture panel members told to you. Okay, so let's start. First of all, this is a very important question. How many tests? Okay, so first of all, try to understand this. Okay, this is a primers training, which is a normal onboarding process. Okay, primers training is a normal onboarding process. Okay, now they are taking your assessment. The name is pre-joining assessment, or you can say the actual name is job, or you can say readiness assessment. Okay, this is this assessment name. Okay, now the basic thing is currently they have asked the candidates that yes, this is the assessment which you need to attempt. Okay, if you want early joining, okay, and suppose this is a very important detail. Suppose if you failed to pass this assessment, then you will be getting the normal primers training or normal onboarding, okay, in which you will be getting around 8 to 10 weeks, okay, 8 to 10 weeks of training, okay, 8 to 10 weeks of training you will be getting if the onboarding process is normal. And see, now in this readiness assessment there will be total one assessment for now, but they told in the meeting that if they want they can take another test also, okay, another test also. So currently they have only one test, which I think you will guys will be having on 2 April, 3 April, 4 April maybe. But if they are not satisfied with that, there will be another test as well. Okay. Now another point, why this? So see, as I mentioned, there will be total two processes. One is the primers training. So primers training is basically foundational training in which you will be getting foundation subjects training for 2 to 3 weeks. Then after the primers training, there is a stream training, okay? And stream training is for around 8 to 10 weeks. And after that, they take the readiness assessment, okay? So this is the normal process of onboarding. Now, in this, directly they will be taking the readiness assessment if you are ready to join or not, okay? In this, there is no trainings. In this there is directly a readiness assessment. If you will able to clear this, and suppose if you will be clearing the next one, if they will be taking, you will be getting direct early joining, okay, early joining. And yes, this is very beneficial. See, I would say all these kind of trainings are of not much use when you will come work in company. It is totally a different work which you will be learning, okay, in the project itself. So these kind of trainings are good for sounding, but the most beneficial thing is if you can get the early joining, because we all know the conditions, how the conditions are currently ongoing for the IT companies, also the current situation of the world. So it is good if you can get the early joining after clearing the readiness assessment. Talking about the criteria, there is a criteria. First of all, there is a no negative marking, okay, there is no negative marking, okay, and the criteria is 60%. So if you able to do 60% plus in your readiness assessment, which Accenture will be taking soon, then you will be clearing the assessment, and you will be maybe you will be going with the next assessment, or you will be getting the joining. That means to clear the assessment, the criteria is 60%. Okay. Now, what is the duration and syllabus? So the test will be around for 1 hour. Okay. And it will be MCQ only test. MCQ only test. And what will be the syllabus? So if you have filled the form of the survey which Accenture mailed to you for the training, okay? So in which what stream have you selected? Okay, based on that stream, the MCQ test will be there. So for an example, if you have chosen generative AI path or you have choose AWS path, okay? So suppose you are in generative AI path or you have chosen generative AI, then this test will be conducting the MCQs on generative AI. It will be MCQ only test. There will be no negative marking. Okay. And the duration will be around for 1 hour. The question level will be around medium and there will be some situational based questions all. Okay. So this will be the whole thing. I hope the pre-joining assessment and the details are clear. Thank you so much for watching.